Well, as the weather gets better, a lot of people start to get excited about cleaning off their barbecue and then cooking on their grill. But not everybody is great at barbecuing. And if that's you, well, don't worry, because we got some tech to make you great on the grill.
We have the Meter Smart Meat Thermometer today, and it's exactly that. So it makes your meat cook to exactly the right temperature every single time.
And that's the beauty, because a lot of people, when they look at cooked meat, they're always measuring it from the outside if it looks like it's cooked. But the only way to really tell is from the inside, and that's what Meter does.
So it looks like a really sharp pen, and it does have a metallic portion, and this is what you would stick into whatever you're cooking, the chicken, the beef, whatever it may be. And this is also oven safe as well, so you can put this in the oven as well.
Now, a lot of people, when they are using Meter, you probably think that you're going to poke it in from the top, but the way to do it is, if you had a steak, you go into the side, and the actual Meter has a line on it to tell you how far inside you have to go. On the end of it, on the other side, is this black type of cover, and that measures the ambient temperature, the temperature outside of the meat, and then it compares to the temperature inside the meat. Inside the app, you decide how you like your meat cooked. Say if you're cooking steak and you want it medium rare, you just set that. It knows exactly what temperature medium rare is. You put that onto the grill, go grab yourself a beer. You're going to get a push notification when that meat is cooked to your liking. It is such a great way to have something that's perfectly cooked, and it's really going to impress not only your family, but your friends.
And I love that there are many options of connectivity with this meter. You can do Bluetooth Smart or Wi-Fi. So, even if you're on the deck or on the patio or in your backyard, you can still take advantage of this meter and cook the meat right to when you want it.
This, my friends, is something you want to check out. It comes with this fabulous case that actually has a magnet on the back, so you can just attach it directly to your grill or to your oven. Again, we're looking at the Meter, the world's first smart meat thermometer. Retails for about only $88 Canadian. You can get more information at meter.com. That's MEATER.com.